What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stan of SA Square Photography, bringing you back another video too. Boy, do I love this corner. Alleyway. Freaking love it, guys. Y'all seen me shoot here before, but I'm here with
Isabella Gonzalez.
She is going to help us out with this video, guys, and y'all know I'm in Louisville, Kentucky because I shot this alley plenty of times, guys. Y'all seen it in my video so far, but today is actually going to be a very special video because look what I have here. Let me get up on the zoom in. It is the Sigma 35 f1.4, guys. This thing just got finished dropping not too long ago, and I have it here with me on the Nikon Z8, as you can see right here, guys, and all its glory. Now, Isabella, look what she's holding. It's the trusty, the musty, the dusty 105mm, guys. And I'm going to try to have her do a comparison. If you can hold it right, almost right beside here, just hold this lens. You can kind of see it's almost the same. Let's get a little closer, Isabella. Look at it. It's almost like, I gotta cover my face, guys. Here you go. It's almost like the same exact size of things right there. You see it right there? It's almost the same exact size. But guys, believe it or not, this 135 is actually lighter than my 105, guys. And y'all know I love my 105. And also, fun fact, this is the alleyway where my 105 broke. So this thing does not work no longer. I gotta send it in, guys. I haven't sent it in yet. But we're gonna knock this out, man. And Isabella, are you ready? Are you excited? You wanna say anything else to these fine folks?
I am ready. Thank you for having me on your channel. Okay. I'm excited.
All right, guys. You hear it, guys. And of course, if you work with Isabella, all stuff is gonna be down in the description box below. Of course, what'll pop on the screen by freaking now.
All right.
You ready to get to work?
Let's go.
She's ready to get to work, guys. So you know what that means. Let's get the fucking work.
Sunday morning, soft light, coffee going quiet side, and everything is alright. There's a breeze coming in the window.
All right, guys, so we're here in my favorite alleyway, guys. Now today what we're going to do is, you see Miss Isabella right here, and actually what we're going to do is I'm actually going to do a 2-light setup, guys. A freaking 2-light setup. Now the reason why I'm going to do this 2-light setup is simply because I absolutely don't want any freaking shadows. So as you can see right here, I have the strip box, guys, as you always see me shoot with the strip box, and I'm going to shoot with this big old, oh shit. This big old 42-inch Octa. And we're just going to just nail her. I'm going to have her hold this for a second, guys. This is the most prized possession there.
Right, let me, gotta be careful with this one.
I'm going to trust her with it. Now, I don't got to go too high up on these things because Isabella, really?
This is what gives me away. This is what gives me away.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
She is ready.
All right.
She's ready, guys. So here we go. You see you got the 2-light set up, guys. Let's go ahead and knock it out. Go ahead and get a test shot, guys. And I'm shooting with the 135. I got the light the way I want it, guys. So what I'm shooting with now, let me go ahead and tell you guys ahead of time. I have the B light, which is my AD100 speed light. That is on 1/64 power. And then the Godox 600, XPLOR 600, whatever you want to call it, is on 256. And we're going to go ahead and knock this on out. All right, so here we go, guys. Testing the 135, guys, the 135. 1, 2, 3, nice. 1, 2, 3, nice. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, hold up. Hold up. Isabella said she came out of retirement for me, guys. How do you make... give me a little step back over. Right there. And come forward. Yeah, right there, perfect. Here we go. Isabella said she came out of retirement for me. Nice. Is
there a specific light I should be facing?
It doesn't even matter. Okay. Whatever light you feel like your favorite side is. Here we go. Yeah. Now guys, I'm gonna get some full body now, so I'm gonna scoot it back just a tad bit so I can get a little bit of full body now. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I love those, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, these are solid, man. These are freaking solid. Yeah. All right, now I'm gonna scoot back. I like that pose like that.
This one?
Yeah. Yeah, so mid thighs on up. Yeah.
Those are cute.
Yeah, come a little closer. No, near right, back, right there. Yeah. Cross your legs. Perfect. But hold up. Hold up. Stop giving them too much. Stop giving them too much. Stop giving them too much out here.
Hey, I came back not playing.
Not playing out, guys. I heard it. Not playing.
Oh, that's right. Not playing.
All right guys, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna throw in the Ninja so y'all can kind of see how the autofocus is working. Now guys, always remember this. I am shooting on the adapted lens. As of right now, I am getting some kind of misfires and things of that nature. Now that could be due to a lot of things. Obviously this is a brand new lens. I have not updated my adapter yet at all, nor am I'm also shooting on not the newest firmware. Just because, you know, when that firmware came out for the Z8, like it bricked my adapter, so I couldn't use it. So I just kind of went back and I haven't like upgraded yet. So the autofocus is not as reliable as my other Sigmas, like the Sigma 50 that I always use, or the 35. So that could be due to a lot of things right now. But as of right now, it works pretty well. And I'm getting my shots enough, but I am missing focus, and I'm just gonna count that as it's not a native lens, guys, so don't really take that out. But I am gonna put on my Ninja so y'all can actually see. Look at me now with you, yeah. Stay there, we'll go around now. Yeah, perfect. Guys, I'm gonna give y'all a couple of headshots, guys, just to kind of see how that lens is really acting. But I'm gonna show you, like, again, the lens worked for the most part, but when I start getting a little bit further back, you can kind of see how it's kind of jerking a little bit. All right, I'm gonna scoot back now, make some full body now. Mid shots, guys, just so y'all can really see how the autofocus is working. Like I said, it's just kind of really jumping out of focus every once in a while, guys. Yeah. Perfect, Isabella. Hold up. Don't play with him out here. Yep. All right, you can go ahead and turn back to me, do your own thing. Because I'm going to let Isabella just run off a couple of poses, guys, because I just really want to show you how the autofocus is really kind of behaving here. Oh, nice. Oh, I love that. Yeah, I'm going to let Isabella go through her set because she is a professional. Yep. I'm gonna go in a little bit closer, guys, so you can see how it's kind of jumping. Again, for the most part, the autofocusing is working just fine, man. You can kind of see how it's kind of jumping out like right it is, but it works just fine. It's not a killer, like if I get my position, but it seems like every time I kind of move up and forward, it kind of hunts a little bit. But again, that could be due to like a lot of situations on my end, guys. Again, like I said, I'm not on the latest Z8 firmware, nor I'm on latest adapter firmware, so it could definitely be a lot of situations. I am using a newer adapter too, guys, so y'all gotta understand I'm using a newer adapter. Look at that light.
Oh, I love that one. Very nice.
She's killing it, guys. So now what I'm gonna do is we're gonna put her on. We're gonna get some wall action here because obviously this wall is tan.
Yes.
Come on over.
All right.
Come on over, guys.
This is the wall to be at.
This is the wall. So now what I'm gonna do with this 2-light setup, guys, is I'm gonna make this my key light, right? And
I forget the camera's phone.
so I'm gonna make this my key light, right guys? And then what I'm gonna do is, I'm actually gonna have the strip box that I've been using. I'm actually gonna make this a hair light here. So, all right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's solid. Yeah, love all those. Yeah, I'm gonna let you just kind of do your thing. I'm not gonna really kind of direct you, Isabel. I'm just gonna let you do what you feel necessary. Solid. Stay right there. I'm gonna get a little bit lower now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I like that. I love that. Yeah, look back down like you just was. Yeah. Hold that. 1, 2, 3. Get a little closer to the wall for me. Actually, go with your.
Huh?
What you about to say?
I don't know how much space I have to play with, so.
She don't know, guys. But now, just go back to your back on the wall for me a little bit, and then kind of put your heel a little bit up. Yeah. Okay, you ready?
Hold on.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I like all those. Yep. Yeah. I know you're very struggling right now. I got her really struggling.
They're working overtime today.
Uh-oh, overtime work. Yeah, I like that. Yeah.
Let me get some speed.
All right, she's gonna get some speed on these for now, guys. Here we go. Oh, perfect. Yeah, I like that. All right, one more time.
Wow, I love.
Yeah, perfect. I like the step backwards too. You always pose. You see that guy? She's always freaking posing. Even when she's walking back, she's still doing it. And she's only 20, guys, with this experience.
I got an age drop.
All right. Yep, come to me.